Hello to all the viewers. A very warm welcome to Code Pathshala. In our previous lecture of Data Science Quick Start, we have discussed about two variables like numbers and strings. Today we are discussing here about the various function over strings. So let's start from where we left in the previous lecture. Here we have a string name. Let me first clear my screen. So we have a string name. It is showing my name Chetan Vasisht. So here is a special function, capitalize. It would return a string with the first letter capital. Let me Yeah, it is. Last time I did a mistake, and so capitalize is a specific function for a string, and another function here is replace. Let's say I want to replace my last name with a blank. So I'm replacing my last name with a blank string. So it would return my first name, only my first name. So when we use replace function, it would take the first string as argument and the second string as argument and would replace the first argument with second argument. You might have noticed one thing here. It is not changing the original string. Original string is still Chetan Vasisht in small. If you want to return capitalize, like uppercase, then there is a function name dot upper, and if we need everything in lowercase, then here it is. So as we were discussing earlier, it is not changing the original string. So it is because string is a immutable data structure. So we can't change the value in further once we have initialized a value. Sorry, once we have initialized the value, so we can't change that value. So string is a immutable data structure in Python. So if we want lowercase, then let's say we want uppercase, then we need to store that return value in a new variable. Here it is. So now we have another string that have the value of uppercase. Here it is. So these are some basic functions over a string. In our next video we will discuss about the list and various function over the list. Till then, happy learning and thanks a lot.